Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll discuss three things. The first is the crypto market outlook, and then the second one is the coin screener, where we will discuss the top 10 to 15 coins which are currently rallying, and the third would be covering one of those 10 coins, 10 to 15 coins, which is today's case is THORChain and its native token RUNE, and we'll be conducting an AI-based forecast. So the part one is the market cap screener, the heat map that you're seeing on the screen. Then the second part is the coin screener, and the third is the AI-based forecast. So let's get started with the first part. You can see on the screen, this is the heat map of major cryptos by market cap. So the larger the square, the more the share of the crypto market cap. So for example, Bitcoin, currently the price is above 36,900. So, and it makes about 50% of the of this heat map. That's because the market cap of Bitcoin is around 50% of the total uh, crypto market cap. The second, the largest square is Ethereum, which is currently around 1900, over 1900 US dollars. The market cap is around 230 billion. Bitcoin's market cap is around 720 billion. So just for context, and then we go to an equivalent square of market cap shared by area shared by XRP, Solana, BNB, then USDC, which is a stable coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Tron, Toncoin, and Chainlink, and then subsequently the lower end of the market cap covered by these altcoins. As you can see, this is the monthly performance for Bitcoin and the major cryptos. In the last month, Bitcoin rallied about 33% over the last 30 days. Ethereum rallied about 21%, BNB rallied 20%, XRP 34%. So one thing to note is in the bull run, the cryptos that outperform Bitcoin are worth noticing. So for example, XRP overshot Bitcoin by about 1%. Solana majorly overshot Bitcoin by about 115%, almost a little over 2x. Then Lido at around underperformed. Cardano overperformed Bitcoin. Then Doge is kind of flat. Then Chainlink was another one to note, was above, made almost a 2x move. Right now it's at $15, and it's about 107% above its 30 days performance. Polygon Matic also rallied about 55% above Bitcoin's 33%. Dot kind of flat against Bitcoin, 31%. Then yeah, some of the other notable ones would be Avalanche, which rallied, AVAX token rallied about 43%, and I think Atom also did a similar, it's kind of flat against BTC. So was so another overperformer was Aave, which we discussed yesterday in our price forecast video. So if you like to check those price forecasts for Chainlink and Aave, please check out those videos on the channel. The second part of the uh, overview that we would like to do is check out which of the coins are currently rallying and worth noticing. So for this coin screener, we use the methodology of sorting out the top 100 coins by market cap, checking which of the top 100 have a healthy volume of almost 10% of its market cap being traded over the last month, and change over the last month is more than 20%. That is, the crypto has to rally more than 20%, has to be part of the top 100 cryptos by market cap, and has to have a healthy volume. So following our analysis, so for you can see there are 12 coins which meet this criteria. The first was Chainlink. I have sorted them by market cap, about 8.5 billion market cap. Then was Aave, that we discussed yesterday. Chainlink we have discussed several times on this channel, so you can check them out. And the third one is THORChain, which is going we are going to discuss today. The price for THORChain is coming in at $3.75 almost. Over the last 30 days, it has rallied about 27%. Its market is about market cap is about 1.25 billion. Volume is well over this 10% threshold as 1.88 188 million, and circulating supply is 337 million. So this is the token for interest for today's discussion. We'll cover that in depth. Then again, in this list features some of the notable cryptos, older ones such as Neo, then Decentraland, which is a VR or metaverse related token, another gaming related token, Gala, then the stressed wallet token, a new layer 1 protocol, Sui, PancakeSwap, which is a Binance Chain's DeFi protocol, and then Blur, which is another new entrant to the top 100, and 1inch. So those are the ones that we will cover, and also Flow, which will cover over the course of next 8 to 10 days. So if you like to check their AI based forecast, please do subscribe to the channel to be updated about the upcoming videos. So let's move to the third part, which is actually the AI based forecast that we develop using the AI model ARIMA and LSTM, and try to also discover the overvaluation and undervaluation zones for those crypto assets for RUNE in this case, and also present the base case, bull case, and bear case scenarios in the next 10 weeks. We have tracked this weekly average price for RUNE starting about August or July 2019, when RUNE was launched. So about little over 4 years worth of history this altcoin has, which is a good thing to have that much amount of data for a crypto. And with this historical weekly price, we have considered this 4-year cycle starting 2019, which is the pre-halving, then 2020, 2021, which is the major bull phase, and 2022, which is the bear market for crypto historically speaking. But what we have seen that this just like most of the altcoins, this particular crypto RUNE has not bottomed, at least so far, till the lowest point for this bear market was in 2023, almost June 2023. So we have kept this undervaluation zone color coded till about that phase. So you can see that there is a clear demarcation that when the price is below this $1.80 level, the color codes tend to be more and more blue in color. So when the color code is blue, this means that the price is, relatively speaking, in an undervaluation territory. We have used z-score for calculating this undervaluation overvaluation phases, where we compare the current price with the average price and calculate the difference in terms of standard deviation. So when the token kind of had its bear market bottom so far, the price was about more than 0.6 standard deviation away to the downside. During its peak, it has had 3 peaks. The first peak was in May at about $18, then at $15 in November, and then the third bear market rally was in about 12, so 18, 15, and 12. At $18, the z-score at its peak was about 3.82. So we'll keep that z-score in mind, that this z-score is in line with the most of the altcoins which had its peak bull run peak at around 2.5 and 3.5, around 4 standard deviation away from the mean. So we'll keep this score in mind, and when the market resets, and we can consider 2023 as a reset year, then we'll again code this z-score for a potential bull run and then bull run peak. So if you are interested in finding out what RUNE could do in its next bull rally, please stay subscribed. So when we do launch those bull run peak related videos, you stay updated with those. So as I said, right now the color codes are pointing to a neutral territory where the z-score is barely negative, so almost 0. So just to give a brief about the video, about the color codes, when they are around this fair value, then the color when the token is at around the fair value, the color code of is around this white to light orange territory, and as it gets more and more heated, that becomes darker shade of orange. So right now it's at close to fair value. You can say that it when the token is at this white band, it can either go up or down, and it only depends on which phase of the market cycle we are in. So when we were during a mania phase of the bull run, from this neutral territory we went to overvalued territory. But when we were in a bear market, that was in 2022, then from this neutral territory we went back to the undervaluation territory. In the bull run, even though there was a crash in July, from this neutral white territory we went back to orange again. We went back to orange briefly in the bear market of early part of the bear market of 2022, but in the second half we definitely went to the undervaluation territory. So this is all being fed to the AI algorithm that we develop, and following are the AI based forecasts. So right now, as I told, that RUNE currently is at trading in at $3.75. The AI based forecasts that we conduct are not financial advice, and they only consider weekly average prices. So for the current week, which will close in November 12, the average forecasted price is at $3.70, and the trajectory from now till January 14, which is 10 weeks from now, at a base case level is from $3.70 to slight increase at every week, and with some pullbacks, and the range is between $3.70 and you can say over here briefly above $4.06. So 370 to $4.06. This is the base case scenario. The bull case scenario per the AI model is, what is the theoretical ceiling? What if the momentum stays bullish and has this particular bull rally has some legs in it, and where are its ultimate resistance levels per the AI model? In that bull case scenario, which we consider one standard deviation away moves from the base case, and in that scenario, the range forecasted by the AI model, again not financial advice, is between $4.50 and $4.90. So this is 450 and 490. The first was between 370 and $3.70 and $4.10, you can say. And the bear case, if the equal and opposite of the bull case, is what if there is a crash and in the bull rally, and where are its theoretical floors and some support levels? So for RUNE, the support is coming in at $2.20 per the AI model, and its support is set to rise to about $2.60. So the range is between 220 and 260. I'll present these findings once more in pictorial format, and then I'll summarize the tabular view. So as I mentioned earlier, the base case is between 370 and 410. The bull case is between 450 and $4.90. The bear case is between $2.20 and $2.60. So these are the if you would like to have a weekly overview, you can pause this video and check at least until December of 2023 what is the base case related findings of the AI model, bear case related findings, and the bull case related findings. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and also check out the weekly AI based forecast for major cryptos that we covered, at least the top 20 ones we cover, and now the recently discovered the rallying cryptos for this current bull run, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.